In May, manufacturing activity jumped worldwide, driven by significantly stronger demand across all major economies around the globe. Through the GEP, Global Supply Chain Volatility Index, we are tracking worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet this demand through a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. What we found in May is that our index broke into positive territory for the first time in more than 14 months. This was driven principally by factory purchasing in Asia, which rose at the highest rate since December 2021, specifically driven in India, China, and South Korea. Here in North America, suppliers got so busy that they were stretching capacity. Even in Europe, which has been a laggard for the last several years, manufacturing slack shrunk significantly as activity picked up. The one cloud that we see on the horizon is order backlogs are rising due to staff shortages. The concern is if we see this continuing, there will be renewed pressure on pricing. Go to gep.com/volatility to download our full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.